Good morning, kids. Today we'll be studying environmental studies, looking around. Let's move to the second chapter, chapter number 2, year to year of class 4th. Let's do mind mapping of year to year. Ears, internal ears, external ears, reproduction, egg-laying animals who give birth to babies. Skin, animals who have hair on their body, animals who don't have hair on their body but have lines or dots. Endangered animals. Mammals, external ears, animals who give birth to babies, animals who have hair on their body. Threats to animals. So kids, let's just start with the chapter. Who have got ears? If you see in this picture, you will see they are having different ears, and they are not having their own ears. They are having the other animal's ear. So all these animals looking very funny. The artist has drawn wrong ears on the heads of the animals. Give correct ears to the animals in the space given below. Open the book and solve this activity. There are two types of ears, external ears and internal ears. From the word only, you can understand external, that means outside. Internal, that means inside. So, animals whose ears can be seen are called animals with external ears. Animals whose ears cannot be seen but have ears are called animals with internal ears. So, what are their examples? Let us know. Animals who have ears can be seen are example horse, giraffe, mouse, dog, cat, etc. Animals whose ears cannot be seen are frog, lizard, duck, crocodile. So, kids, these are basically the birds as well as the reptiles whose ears we cannot see. Can you find its ears? Now, let us move to another page. An animal with ears like fan. Tell me which animal it is? Yes, elephant. An animal with ears like leaves. Yes, it is rabbit or deer. An animal with ears on the top of its head. So class, if you read this line, all the animals are having ears on the top of his head. So you can write any name of the animal. An animal with ears on both sides of its head. So this is also same. Animals, all the animals are having ears on both sides. So let's move. You know very well that ears help us to hear. Yes, without ears we cannot hear. In some animals you can see the ears. In some you cannot. Have you observed that thing? In some animals we can see the ears and in some animals we cannot. Why is it so? We cannot see a bird's ear. A bird has tiny holes on both sides of its head. Generally, the holes are covered with feathers. They help the bird to hear. See this picture. It is the picture of a pigeon, and pigeon is eating her food. So, we cannot see the ears of pigeon. Why so? Because it is having an internal ears, and these internal ears are basically hidden by its feathers, and these ears are tiny holes which help them to hear when somebody comes near to them. If you look carefully, you will see the tiny holes on a lizard head. These are its ears. So, if you see, when you come near to a lizard, lizard is also having tiny holes which helps her to hear. Like that, a crocodile also have ears, but we cannot see them. Animals with different type of skin. Now, we all observe these animals. If you see, it is zebra, it is tiger, and it is lion. Their body has different skin. In zebra, we see lines, black and white. On tiger, we see lines, that is brown and black. In lion skin, we see it is of brown color and lots of hair on it. So, every animal have different types of skin. Do you know animals can be recognized from their ears and skin? We can always recognize any animal by remembering their skin and ears. Now let's do one activity. Close your eyes with me and imagine you are seeing a zebra. So what comes in your mind? You see that black and white lines in front of you. Why is it so? Because we see the skin of the animal which helps us to identify, and we also observe the ears. Activity time. Match the animals shown here with their pictures on their skin. Make the correct pattern of the skin of the picture of each animal. Now this is the picture which is given in your book. You have to do this activity by matching the skin with the particular shadow. So please match this skin with the particular shadow. This is skin of a, yes, it is a skin of deer. This is a skin of squirrel. This is a skin of tiger. This is a skin of cheetah. This is a skin of zebra. Yes. Now we have a shadow in front of us. So we have to match this with the shadow of that picture. So what did you notice? Those animals whose ears you can see have hair on their body, these animals give birth to the young ones. Exactly. Those animals that do not have ears on the outside, do not have hair on their body, these animals lay eggs. Yes, kids, if you see a dog in front of you, you see that a dog ears we can see. A dog have hairs on his body which we can see. So this type of animal give birth to babies. Like humans, humans have ears outside. We can see the hair on the body of the humans. So these animals give birth to babies. Now let's come to those animals whose ears we cannot see and whose hairs are not on their body. So these animals always lay eggs, like birds, like lizard, like snake. These are the examples which lays eggs. So let's recap once again. Animal whose ears can be seen and have hair on their skin give birth to babies, and they are called, what are they called? They are called as mammals. Animals whose ear cannot be seen and do not have hair on their skin lay eggs to reproduce. They are called egg-laying animals. For example, if you see a hen, Hen does not have hair on his body. They have feathers. Their ears we cannot see. So they reproduce by laying eggs. And when we see giraffe, giraffe has external ears. We can say, see hairs on body of the giraffe, and it reproduce by giving birth to babies. Mammals. Animals whose ears can be seen and have hair on their skin and give birth to babies are called mammals. Like monkeys, like chimpanzees, like humans. These are the some examples of mammals. And even if you know, blue whale is also an example of a mammal, because blue whale does not lay egg. It gives birth to babies. Have you heard about dinosaurs? Yes, you might be excited about learning dinosaurs. Many years ago, there were dinosaurs on Earth, but not anymore now. Now we see them in films, photos, and books. Animals which do not exist on Earth anymore are called extinct animals. What are extinct animals? The animals which we will not able to see on Earth now, like dinosaurs, like dodo. Reasons for decreasing animals in India. Why are you thinking like that? Animals are decreasing day by day. What are the reasons? If you remember that it is because of our hunting. Animals going down in India because people hunt animals for many reasons. To show bravery, for their skin, for their bones. So these are the points which we should remember and know why the animals are decreasing in India day by day. I hope kids you have understood the chapter. Thank you.